know she knows.
Baby. God, you're so... No, it's happening whether you want it to or not.
Thank you.
Hurry up.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, well, I got bare legs. And I got scratched already.
Go get her.
Go get her. I got my mitt.
Go get her. I can't freaking wrap her and shoot her in the mouth all at once.
Well, just wrap her and then shoot her in the mouth when you get here. Make sure you wrap her up good.
So you got all the paws hanging out.
Well, you wrap her. Now wait for it.
Wait, just a little bit more.
Ew. She's gonna drool on me.
Okay, go in the kitchen. Don't let her drool on the carpet.
Yeah, I gotta be able to get this.
A little bit more, G.
Ew, I just think I just stepped in it.
No.
Watch your face.
Ew. She's drooling on me.
I just stepped in her drool.
No, Ew.
I seriously stepped in her drool.
No, I kicked the water bowl.
Oh.
Oh, you poor girl.
Here, we'll catch it.
As soon as I get near her, she'll...
Well. Ew. Oh, baby.
I don't trust her.
Yesterday, she shook her head and got it on my face.
Watch your face, Holly.
Well. Hurry up.
I can't.
Get your face up. Oh.
I don't want that stuff.
Good. Well, it went on you.
It did go on me. Oh.
Kitty.